Let's make my mom's simple yet special tomato chutney. Its simplicity comes from the ingredients that are easily available, and you don't need a lot of ingredients actually. Only tomatoes, ginger, coriander, and green chilies. First, you need to roughly chop the tomatoes, finely chop the ginger, green chilies, and coriander. Heat a pan, add ghee to it, then black mustard seeds, followed by green chilies, and when it starts to splutter, add the ginger and then tomatoes. Add salt half a teaspoon and sugar 3 to 4 teaspoons. You can adjust the salt and sugar according to your taste. Keep stirring until the tomatoes melt. Cover and cook for a while. After that, add in your chopped coriander. You can add hot water to it according to your preferred consistency, and your chutney is ready. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, then please like, share and subscribe.